is ABC 15 News.
Foreclosures and the troubled economy have small businesses that rely on home building and remodeling looking for answers on how to make ends meet. ABC 15's Jay Reynolds shows us 5 businesses that are joining ranks to spend less and make more profit.
It's difficult, certainly in the last 2 years, 3 years, it's been quite a challenge.
With the housing market being down, owner of Blind Devotion, Jerry Livingston, was ready to call it quits.
He was having problems like everybody else is in this industry right now because the rent was killing him.
So flooring broker Carl Kramer and Jerry needed to change their game plan.
Time to get creative.
They joined with 3 other owners and put their businesses under one roof. Carpet, blinds, rugs, cabinets, everything you need for your home, all at one design center at Alma School in Warner and Chandler.
Every kind of flooring is available here. Any kind of countertop is available.
The concept has customers like Laura Eisenhart singing its praises.
100% convenient.
The owners all share in rent, salespeople, and marketing expenses. That co-op cuts expenses.
This makes us very competitive in the market. We can compete with anybody.
Carl and Jerry say it's a plan to succeed, not just survive in today's economy.
We definitely couldn't have hung on our own.
They've only been open since April, but so far the concept seems to be working.
It's just a win-win for everybody all the way around.
Working for the owners and customers alike. In Chandler, Jay Reynolds, ABC 15 News.